A tarnished reputation can shatter dreams and destroy opportunities, but there is hope for recovery. Reputation damage can stem from negative reviews, unfavorable media, or personal misconduct, spreading like wildfire in the digital age. The consequences of a damaged reputation are severe: lost business, personal stress, and long-term impacts on career and personal life. The first step to repair is assessing the damage by monitoring online mentions and analyzing feedback to identify key issues. Developing a reputation repair plan involves setting clear goals, prioritizing actions, and allocating necessary resources. Managing your online presence is crucial. Optimize social media profiles, claim online listings, and build a professional website. Creating and promoting positive content through blog posts, videos, and guest posts can help overshadow negative information. Engaging with your audience by responding to reviews, interacting on social media, and hosting events is key to rebuilding trust. Leveraging SEO strategies ensures that positive content ranks higher, pushing negative information down in search results. Case studies show that transparency, consistent positive content, and professional help can turn a reputation crisis into a success story.